Welcome to the future of corrugated board handling. Introducing the SERRA StackFlipper X conveyor. Flipping and palletizing made easy. Effortless efficiency begins with simplicity. The StackFlipper X conveyor is designed for ease of use, boasting a simple user interface and intuitive controls. Versatility is key. This machine can be placed at any point on the conveyor belts, allowing for a flexible layout and streamlined operation. Watch as the StackFlipper X securely grips your corrugated board stack, ready to revolutionize your production process. Turning speed into profit, the StackFlipper X conveyor flips stacks at an incredible speed, increasing productivity and profitability. Quality is never compromised. Our machine provides precise control over the flipping motion, ensuring consistent and accurate stacking. No need for manual intervention. The flipping process is fully automatic, reducing the risk of work-related injuries and minimizing downtime. Safety is paramount. The StackFlipper X conveyor's robust construction and reliable operation minimize maintenance requirements, ensuring maximum uptime and productivity. Efficient product handling is our priority. The StackFlipper X ensures a continuous flow of products, turning your manufacturing process into a seamless operation. Safety is integrated in every detail, with features like the blocking cylinder system, protections, and emergency stop button. We prioritize your peace of mind. The SERRA StackFlipper X conveyor, your solution for efficient stacking. Contact us today and take your manufacturing efficiency to new heights.